Understanding elimination diets.
Elimination diets are designed to help you identify foods that may be causing uncomfortable symptoms. By temporarily removing certain foods and carefully reintroducing them, you can pinpoint potential sensitivities. This approach is commonly used for digestive issues, skin conditions, headaches, or unexplained fatigue, offering a practical way to reclaim your well-being through a more personalized diet.
Preparing for an elimination diet.
Before starting, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional. Make a list of common trigger foods such as dairy, gluten, eggs, nuts, soy, and seafood. Plan meals ahead, ensuring you still get balanced nutrition. Keep a food and symptom journal, which will help track any changes and patterns throughout the process, making it easier to identify problematic foods.
Elimination phase. What to expect.
During the elimination phase, you'll remove suspected trigger foods from your diet for 2 to 6 weeks. Stick to whole, non-processed foods like fresh fruits, vegetables, lean meats, and gluten-free grains. Monitor your symptoms, noting any improvements. This phase can be challenging, but staying consistent is key for reliable results and future clarity.
Reintroduction phase. Testing foods.
After the elimination phase, slowly reintroduce foods one at a time, usually every 3 to 5 days. Observe how your body reacts, noting any symptoms in your journal. If a reaction occurs, remove that food again, and consider consulting a health professional. This careful process helps accurately identify foods that may not agree with you.
Maintaining results for long-term wellness.
Once trigger foods are identified, you can make informed dietary choices. Some foods can be reintroduced occasionally, while others may need to be avoided. Be sure to maintain a balanced diet and check in regularly with your healthcare provider. An elimination diet is a practical tool that can support better health, improved energy, and overall well-being.